Hey guys, this is Ray here with you today. Today we are discussing something very hot. It is a hot topic and everyone is talking about it right now. Yes, you're right. It is a speed makeuping. If you wonder, how do I do almost a full glam in a very little time and what the priorities are for myself, please stay with me till the end of the video. For now, let's rock this look. Please share with that. When you're in a rush, it is not about tiny details and not everything being perfect. It is about the entire look overall to be presentable and wearable and refreshing and looking good. I'm starting with the foundation this time because if I want to go into details, I will start with my eyes and put a big amount of time into that. But when I'm in a rush, like right now, I will go with the foundation first. So first of all, let's prime our face. So I'm using my Kiehl's Daily Reviving Concentrate Oil. For the foundation, I will use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. So the quickest way to apply your foundation would be with a brush. So you apply it with a brush, but afterwards you will just smooth it out with the beauty sponge or beauty blender or whatever you have at hand. So basically you will go as detailed as your time is letting you, and if you have time only for the foundation, maybe some bronzer, go for it. And if you do have some time for like little extra concealer, blushes, mascara, so yeah, you can totally use that. Today I will show you like a mini full glam look. Let's call it like that. I'm also testing this new concealer, so I will divide some time to this. This is Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Liquid Concealer. My shade is Light Cool. So as you know from the name, it is the store brand. Almost scentless. It's a doe foot applicator, but it is flat on both sides. Let's test it. It is pretty thick consistency. On the bottle it states to be the waterproof. To me it seems a little bit dark, not much, just a little slightly bit. Okay, let's keep our fingers crossed because it didn't start creasing just yet. So let's give it some time and I'll go to the powder, just regular powder, no setting powder, anything, because we are in a rush, remember? With this foundation, to be honest, you don't even need the powder because it dries so nicely. However, just in case I prefer to do it, it makes we're gonna use bronzer today, so it will make our bronzer set better and blend better. And it's just a few seconds. So with the same brush, it is Sony Keshik 100 Large Powder Brush. I am applying, I'm trying out new bronzer, which is Wet n Wild ColorIcon Ticket to Brazil shade. Scent is okay, it's almost scentless as well, so it doesn't give a lot of glitter or something. It looks more like pearly. With MAC 224 brush, I will contour our nose slightly. So for the first impression, the texture is great and the pigment picks up perfectly. The only thing, just with all the bronzers, it's just my personal issue, it looks a little bit yellowish for me. So the second step would be I will make my brows because it is my priority on a face. I don't have naturally luxurious brows, so we'll do that now. By the way, in the comments down below, let me know what is your top priority in makeup. For example, I won't go out without the skin tone and the brows. What will be your thing? So then I will go for the primer because if we do make our eyes, we don't want them to move. Don't have time even for the primer, so don't do your eyes. Maybe you'll just throw mascara on and you'll be okay. But if you do the eyes, do the primer. That's must, because by the end of the day, you don't want to look like a mess. I will take my universal eyeshadow brush, and from the Too Faced palette, I will grab shade Heaven, the lightest one. I will apply it to my entire lid. With the same brush, I'm gonna go for NYX Love You So Mochi palette, and I will get this almost maroon color right here. And as well, I'm gonna apply it to almost entire lid. I will get my Sonia Kashuk blending brush number 273 and blend it a little bit on the top. For the lower lash line, I will take my smudge brush with Sonia Kashuk, and I will go for the Risk in the Too Faced palette. I am adding a little bit of Heaven into the inner corners. So right now I'm ready for some mascara, and I'm gonna use my Benefit Roller Lash. For blush, I'm gonna use my MAC Cubic Blush and my IT Cosmetics 227 brush. I will highlight with my NYX Love You So Mochi palette and my MAC 116 brush. I'm picking the pink shade in the middle. And as you noticed, most of the products today were the powder texture because those are the most blendable and easiest on the go things. I would spend a much bigger amount of time on blending out the cream contour than throw the bronzer on and you're ready to go. So for the lips, you want to use something which does not need precision and lining. For example, the lip gloss in nude color, you can throw it on a go and you'll be okay. And of course, we can't go without the setting spray. Today I'm gonna use my Urban Decay All Nighter. So let me do my hair quickly off camera and I'll be right back with the final look. Here we are, guys, at the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching this one and it was pretty helpful for you, especially those of you who are in a rush and try and look their best. I can't wait to read the comments down below this video, and don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up. I'm gonna see you in my next one. I'm wishing you all the best, and for now,